Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Form no longer accepting responses. So if your Google Form is no longer accepting responses, this is how you can fix the issue. First, you just need to reopen the Google Form. So Google Forms can be closed to stop collecting responses. So to reopen it, you can just open the form. And then at the top right here, click on the responses tab. And if you see the toggle the switch next to accepting responses, you can just turn it on. So since I'm not publishing this form yet, I can't see this. But if you find the issue, you can just turn it on. And you can also check for the form settings or restriction because sometimes specific settings might restrict responses. So Google Form itself doesn't impose a limit, but link add-ons like Form Limiter might be restricting responses. So remove such add-ons. You can just tap on the three dots menu at the top right corner and go to add-ons and just manage add-ons and then uninstall or disable any response limiters. And you can also, if you use an add-on to set a specific open or close time, it may need adjustment or removal. And if participant can access the form, you need to ensure that the form is shared correctly. You can go to settings or the gear icon, and then under responses or presentation, tap ensure that the form is accessible. So you can just here on the new form, you can tap on share first. Make sure that the link is set to anyone with the link can respond. This one's right here. Anyone with the link, not restricted. And ensure that the storage space availability. So if responses are being saved to a link Google Sheets, you can check your Google Drive storage. If it's full, responses might not be recorded. You need to free up space by deleting unused files or upgrading your storage. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.